Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS observed World Diabetes Day 2025 at RIMS Hospital General OPD block today. Speaking to media persons, RIMS Director Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma said that progression of diabetes in patients can affect adversely to other organs such as heart, brain and kidney, emphasizing that early detection is crucial. As part of the program, free tests of KFT, LFT, lipid profile and hemoglobin A1C were held. RIMS director further stated that globally, 11% of the total population are affected by diabetes, which is projected to rise to 40% in 2050. He said that there are two types of diabetes, namely type 1 and type 2 diabetes, of which the latter is closely linked to our food habits and lifestyle choices. He reiterated that prevention and early detection is the best form of cure with regards to diabetes. It may be noted that the campaign focus for World Diabetes Day 2025 is diabetes and workplace. As per International Diabetes Federation, 7 in 10 people living with diabetes are working age, while millions of people with diabetes face daily challenges managing their condition in the workplace.
Asi apoigi RIMS ki UOPD block ta World Diabetes Day observe tawri basi apoina Manipur ki prajada health awareness amaina apoigi basi ki population da diabetes ki hingalai ba chang dai kamaina prevent tawni na tu apoigi lifestyle kamaina change tawni haibu tu ki target ta apoina thamjabani diabetes si yam chawwa health burden na mo ere world da diabetes makhan si ani ne apoigi diabetes type 1 type 2 lai re type 2 sina 90% lifestyle related weight hengalakpa sedentary lifestyle movement tawdaba fast food hengalakpa healthy food chadaba du makhan mayam lai aduga another issue amana life expectancy hengalakpa haitare hana 65 70 hingambale hoji 80 90 chahi si loi yonare aduna factors yam yame aduna akoina mayam da pigeon ningiba appeal si early detection adagi lifestyle change tawraga diabetes si control tawba yai so that diabetes si am long term da heart da solai brain da solai kidney da solai neuropathy mayam malai ado akoina fajana control tawraga di adagi complications sing se avoid tawba yai haibasi mayam da thamjani